Hey you guys, I'm about to prepare my mustard fried chicken. And get started. Uh-oh, y'all, here come trouble. You smell this chicken, girl? What are you looking at? Yeah. What you doing? You smell this chicken? Mommy, you about to cook? I smell it. I was sleeping, wasn't it? Yeah. Binks. Well, I'm gonna have to cook it first. Can't eat it raw. Yeah, lick your mouth. I had to cook it first. Yeah. Boy, that girl. Binks. Okay. Let me put the camera this way, guys. Okay. And that's my chicken. You want something to eat? Here. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna feed this old Binks. Let me feed this baby Binks. Yeah, you don't have to wait till I open it. This is real turkey and gravy. And don't lick the juice off of it. Eat the whole thing. Yeah. Here. You too spoiled, son. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. I'm flouring my chicken and I'm letting it sit over here. Hope you can see that. I only got a few more pieces left. Need to be floured. And I'm going to show you what the next steps are. It was so beautiful out there, you guys. That walk, that sun, you can just put on like a little light sweater. Because when you walk, your body heat up. It was so nice out there. People was walking their dogs. Just taking a walk, sitting on the bench. It's so beautiful. I have 2 more pieces, you guys. Throw it up in this flour. And I'm gonna put this bowl under some show you guys. You can see it. My chicken, I put flour in a bag. That's how we was raised. So I still do it, you guys. I still do it. Certain things haven't changed. Certain things haven't changed. Okay. So let me get all this out out of this bowl and soak this bowl in some hot water and disinfect it. I'm gonna rinse it out first. Okay. I had to close my blind because the sun was ready. So I let my chicken like sit there maybe for 10 minutes. Then what I do, I will run it again back in the flour, dread it back in the flour, and it would be good to go. It's my, I don't know, can you see it? The oil probably been in the pot now, maybe 7 minutes, a few more minutes to go. So, back again over here. Okay. I'm gonna rinse my bowl out. Use my, once again, spray in there. A little soap. And let that marinate. Take my glove off. It's one thing that I probably recommend if you're going to do this recipe. This is my new tile that I put out. Okay, you guys. But if you're going to do that mustard fried chicken, you can also use it in doing a fish combination. I recommend you get an older rag here, because that mustard will stain your rags and stuff like that. Or if you put mustard on your countertop, it can also stain. So just be wary of that and take note of that. Use an older rag because it will stain. Okay. Okay, you guys, so once again, that's the chicken, and I'm gonna dread it back in there. Oh, my oil should be good to go. And in this pot over here, hope you guys can see, that's coming to a boil. I'm gonna make some butter and herb noodles from North. So I put a little extra butter in there, you guys, so it can be good and flavorful. Now hold on, let me check my oil. Okay, you guys, my oil should be about ready. I have flour on my hand and put in there, so my oil should be about ready. And I coated my chicken a second time, you guys, and I'm gonna show you the flour that I use. I like this, but any flour will do. And actually, I'm running low on flour. Okay. Make sure you get the excess flour off. One more piece in here, you guys. That's here in there frying. Okay. Okay, here you go, guys. This is my mustard fried chicken. I just already ate a piece. It is so good. Chicken is juicy and moist and so flavorful. I still got 3 more pieces in here, you guys. And these are my buttered noodles. Let's see, I hope you guys can see that. These are my buttered noodles here. I put a little black pepper in there. Once again, this is by Norse. So, that is done. And I got some more sweet potatoes over here just to boiling, making me some more candy yams. And once again, here's my fried chicken, mustard fried chicken. Okay, you guys, I thank you for watching. And soon this batch of little chickens get done, and my sweet potatoes, I'm going to be eating me some chicken. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye now. Yummy.